Look up at the night sky. On a clear evening, you might spot a reddish point of light. That's Mars, our enigmatic neighbour. For centuries, humanity has gazed at this celestial body with curiosity and longing. Mars represents the next great frontier. It holds the potential for life, exploration, and perhaps even a new home for humanity. The journey to Mars will be long and arduous, yet the rewards promise to be immeasurable. We are on the verge of a new era in space exploration. The allure of Mars is undeniable, whispering to our primal urge to explore and discover. Our fascination with Mars dates back to ancient civilizations. From the earliest days, humans have looked up at the night sky and wondered about the Red Planet. Early astronomers wove tales of gods and monsters associated with Mars. These stories were passed down through generations, blending myth and observation. The invention of the telescope ignited our scientific curiosity. Suddenly, Mars was not just a distant red dot, but a world waiting to be explored. Over the centuries, astronomers made groundbreaking discoveries about Mars. They meticulously charted its movements and noted its unique features. They observed its polar ice caps, changing seasons, and thin atmosphere. These observations hinted at a dynamic planet with its own climate and history. The 20th century saw the dawn of the space age, with our first steps toward Mars. Rockets and spacecraft became our new tools for exploration. Robotic missions like Mariner and Viking provided close-up glimpses of the Martian surface. These missions were our first real look at Mars up close. We saw evidence of ancient riverbeds and a desolate, cratered landscape. These findings suggested that Mars once had liquid water and perhaps even conditions suitable for life. Each mission to Mars has added to our understanding of this enigmatic world. With every new discovery, we come closer to unraveling the mysteries of the Red Planet, paving the way for future human exploration. Of all the planets in our solar system, Mars stands out as the most promising candidate for colonization. Its unique characteristics make it an intriguing target for human exploration. Mars is the most Earth-like planet we know of. Its surface, atmosphere, and climate share similarities with our home planet. It possesses key features that make it viable for human exploration and settlement. The planet's terrain includes valleys, deserts, and polar ice caps. Mars has water, crucial for sustaining human life. This water exists in the form of ice, and potentially liquid water beneath the surface. A Martian day, called a sol, is just over 24 hours long. This similarity to Earth's day makes it easier for humans to adapt to the Martian environment. Mars has gravity about 38% that of Earth's. This reduced gravity presents both challenges and opportunities for human settlers. This level of gravity is strong enough to prevent significant bone and muscle loss in humans, which is a critical factor for long-term habitation. Mars is relatively close to Earth, with a one-way trip taking as little as 6 months. This proximity makes it a feasible destination for human missions. This makes Mars a more accessible destination than other potentially habitable worlds. Its potential for scientific discovery and human settlement is unparalleled. The exploration of Mars could lead to breakthroughs in science and technology and pave the way for humanity's future in space. While Mars holds promise, we must not underestimate the challenges of living there. The Martian environment is incredibly hostile to life as we know it. The atmosphere is thin, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, and offers little protection from radiation. Temperatures on Mars can swing wildly, from a balmy summer day to a frigid winter night. Dust storms, some of which can engulf the entire planet, are a constant threat. We will need to develop innovative technologies to extract water and oxygen, grow food, and generate energy. Radiation shielding will be crucial for protecting colonists from cosmic rays and solar flares. Establishing a permanent human presence on Mars will be a monumental undertaking. The journey to Mars will be a step-by-step process. The first step will likely involve sending robotic missions to scout potential landing sites. These robotic pioneers will pave the way for the first human explorers. Once a suitable landing site is identified, we can begin constructing a base camp. This initial outpost will serve as a hub for scientific research and habitat construction. As our capabilities on Mars grow, so too will our ambitions. We can envision a future where Martian colonies expand beyond the initial base camp. One of the most ambitious aspects of colonizing Mars will be creating a biosphere. We will need to transform a barren planet into a world capable of supporting Earth-based life. This process, known as terraforming, involves altering the Martian environment. While full-scale terraforming is likely centuries away, we can begin laying the groundwork now. This could involve setting up enclosed habitats where we can experiment with growing crops. We can also investigate using genetically modified organisms adapted to thrive in the Martian environment. Life on Mars will be unlike anything we have ever experienced on Earth. The challenges of living in a confined environment will shape Martian society. Martian colonists will need to be resourceful, adaptable, and resilient. They will need to work together to overcome the challenges of their new home. Life will be focused on survival, exploration, and scientific discovery. Amidst the challenges, there will be opportunities for incredible innovation. The need to adapt will spur the development of new technologies and approaches to agriculture. Life on Mars will be a grand experiment in human cooperation and ingenuity. The colonization of Mars is not just about escaping Earth's problems. It represents a bold step forward in human evolution and our quest for knowledge. It is about ensuring the long-term survival of our species. By establishing a presence on Mars, we create a backup plan for humanity. By expanding our reach beyond Earth, we hedge our bets against catastrophic events. Natural disasters, climate change, and other unforeseen calamities could threaten our existence. As we venture further into the cosmos, we will encounter new worlds and resources. These new frontiers will offer opportunities for scientific discovery and technological advancement. These discoveries will challenge our understanding of the universe. They will push the boundaries of what we know and inspire future generations of explorers. The journey to Mars is just the first step in a much longer journey of exploration. It is a stepping stone to even greater adventures in space. It will take us to the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, the asteroid belt and beyond. Each destination will bring its own set of challenges and rewards. As we explore the cosmos, we will carry with us the lessons learned on Earth. These lessons will guide us in building a sustainable and thriving future among the stars. The colonization of Mars is not a question of if, but when. It is a challenge we are destined to meet. The journey will be fraught with risks and challenges, yet the rewards are immeasurable. By venturing to Mars, we push the boundaries of human knowledge and spirit. We will be securing the future of our species. The Red Planet beckons, calling us to adventure and exploration. Let us answer that call with courage and determination.